All right, I'm at my food truck, J. Harvey's Grill. I'm gonna do a quick video on how to convert your fan into an AC. Only thing you need some rubber bands, a plastic Coke or a Sprite bottle, Dr. Pepper, it doesn't matter, a soldering gun, a knife, and some mice. And that's all you need. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these bottles here and I'm gonna just take the little cover off this Coke bottle and just get that out the way. And this 2018, this have been a hot summer. It's hard to stay outside for more than 15-20 minutes. But what you want to do is just cut the top of this bottle, not all the way off. And you want to leave about a ½ an inch of it uncut so you can fold it back and put ice in it. As you can see, I'm cutting it with my knife. And that's all you want to do right there, and just do the other one like that also. And that's it, that's right there. You want to have that like that so you can put your ice in it. So now what you want to do is take your rubber bands and make sure they fit on the bottle. And you know you got different sizes, like this one fit perfectly on this plastic bottle. So you can take 4 rubber bands, 6, 8. I'm gonna just put 2 of them on here and 2 bottles on here, but you can do 4 bottles. Just push the rubber band through one of these loops and just loop it across. And that's all you have to do is right there. And I'm gonna put 4 of them on there. I'm gonna put 2 on each bottle. So as you can see, just taking it, sliding it, pull it, and just loop it across. So that's for 1 bottle, and then I'm gonna go on the opposite side and do 2 more rubber bands for the other bottle. And like I said, you can put 4, 5, 6 bottles on here if you want. If you want to get it cool, and then you take your soldering gun, you heat it up, and just burn some little holes through here. And if you ain't got a soldering gun, you can probably just get a nail or a drill or something and just drill some holes. But I got a soldering gun, so it's real fast. As soon as you touch it, it just melts right through. And you can put as many holes as you want to. I didn't put it at the bottom, and I'm gonna show you why. I didn't put it at the bottom part of the bottle because you don't want your water or nothing to leak out. So with this process of making this AC fan, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to show you here at the end what I'm talking about. You see I'm putting a lot of holes. You don't have to put this many holes. It's just for demo purpose. So you can put about 10 or 15 holes so that you can have a vent system. So once you've done that, you just take your bottles and loop them across the rubber band. You see I just looped it across and then put this other end over. Then I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. And it stays on there pretty steady. So I'm gonna put the other one on also. Same thing, just put it in that way and then put the rubber band on it. Now you want to take your ice. Like I said, you can get an ice tray or whatever, or you can buy ice wherever you want to get it from. Just fill these plastic bottles up. And that's it. Plug it in. And sit back and relax. As you can see, I'm going to have me a seat and just enjoy some of this cold air, especially when we're in the country barbecuing. It's a good idea to do right here. Like I said, you can put 4 of them on there. It'll even be better. So once the ice starts melting, the only thing you need to do is, this is where I said you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Just open it up. Now you got some cold drinking water. You see, I'm going to get me a cold glass of water. So you can just drain it. And once you drain as much water out as you want, you tighten that cap back up. Go on the other side and get you another cup. So now you got an AC fan, and you also got some cold drinking water. You just tighten that back up. Now you can sit down and have your cold cup of water, or whatever you want to drink. Lemonade. You can freeze some lemonade, ice cubes, and that water cold. So now you can just refill and relax. So you just fill this up again. Like I said, you can freeze some lemonade if you want to and put in here. Take that water, get you a cold drink, and if it's really hot, one thing you have to do is pour a little bit on your head. Man, that's cold. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And share this video also, because this is a really hot summer.